Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can copy only one view template from project to project. So as you can see, for example, here I have my Snowdon Towers example. This is the one project, and this is my new project, my project 1, which I have just created, and I want to copy a project template from this Revit file to this Revit file. You need to have the both Revit files open at the same instance of the Revit session. And by far the easiest way to do this is by using the Revit add-on. And here you will see this small icon where you can find the tool. So if I will click it, you can see here copy selected view templates to other open documents. It works in the way that you have to be in the project from which you want to copy the template. So I will go copy selected view templates to other documents or to other open models. And in my example, I will want to copy this architectural life safety plan. So as you can see, I have some overrides for the filters and all the other information in here. So let's do this. So I will go with my architectural life safety plan, select it. Then this will be the destination document. So my destination project, which is this project 1, which is this one. Hit OK, and the Revit add-on will just copy it. And if I will go now to my new project, you can see if I go now here to the view templates, now I can have, or I can see here my architectural life safety plan, my view template with all of the things set. And if I go to the filters, you can see that it copied all of the filters and everything with it. So this is by far the easiest way to copy only one view template from project to project in Revit.